ASU is going to the stars with NASA in a mission to explore an unusual asteroid flying between Mars and Jupiter. From our Los Angeles bureau, Cronkite News reporter Jude Binkley tells us about the mission.
The Psyche mission is preparing to journey to a metal world. That's the slogan NASA and ASU are using to explore an asteroid that's about the size of Massachusetts. Known as Psyche, the asteroid is unique. It's composed of metal and may have been the core of another planet. NASA believes this will help us learn about how our Earth was formed.
I want to learn something about the materials that make our rocky planets. So Psyche might be part of the metal core of a little planetesimal that got broken apart in collisions, in which case it's the only way that humans are ever going to see the metal core of anybody, because we're never going to see the Earth. But if this is what Psyche is, this will be the only one like it in the solar system.
The mission was selected in 2017 as part of NASA's Discovery program. In total, 800 people are working together on the expedition. The spacecraft is being built here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena. In its final stages of assembly, the craft will then be put through a series of tests: vibration, electromagnetic, thermal vacuum, to make sure it can handle the launch and deep space.
We are in the fastest moving, most dynamic time of this project, because this is what's referred to as a planetary launch, and its timing is all coordinated with where Mars is going to be and where the other planets and bodies will be. We have one shot, a window of opportunity, about a month or so long, in August, that we have to launch.
After launch, the spacecraft will travel through space with electric-powered acceleration. The trip will take 3 years to reach Psyche, and they'll have the help of Mars to get there.
Getting to Psyche, we need to do what's called a Mars flyby. Basically, we are going to target going towards Mars, and we're going to catch up to Mars, and we're going to skin right by it. What that does is it's a fairly big planet. It's got a lot of gravity, right? We don't want to land on Mars, but if you come up, the gravity will start to pull it and accelerate us, and then will slingshot us right around.
After reaching Psyche, the spacecraft will orbit it for 2 years. The craft will be taking images that will be sent to ASU and immediately shared with the world.
Because we really believe as a team that space exploration is for everyone on Earth. And one thing that we've developed is a pipeline such that when we get the images from the cameras back from Psyche, they'll come right to ASU, and we'll have them on the internet for anyone in the world to see within a half hour. And so the whole world will get to look at Psyche at the same time as the team.
The mission is less than a year away from takeoff. After it's completed all its phases at JPL, the spacecraft will then be shipped to Kennedy Space Center in Florida for a launch in August of next year. In Pasadena, Jude Binkley, Cronkite News.